Alright, so time to go over where we are with the Nova 1200 right now. For the moment, things seem to be operating almost as I expect them to. We're getting pretty close. And a lot of that has to do with this little circuit right back here, designed by a friend of mine to mimic the power on OK circuitry of the original machine. And it's just a series of RC circuits and some Schmidt triggers that wake up in the correct order to tell the CPU that it's got power OK in the types that it needs. So we're going to wake up the machine. It is already warmed up, but we're going to start it up fresh here. Alright. So we can do an examine of any arbitrary location, which was not quite working so well before we had the power OK circuitry. We can check and clear out all of my accumulators here. Accumulator 3 was flaky for a while, but it seems to be okay now. Alright, so let's examine, and let's see if we can do a deposit. Sometimes that one's a little flaky still as well, and don't think it's the switch. It's already been deoxidated, but as you can see, sometimes it just doesn't want to respond, and, well, could not tell you why. See, it did it that time. But it's fine. For some reason, examine nexts and deposit nexts work perfect every time. Could not tell you why. Regular deposit is the odd man out. Anyway, so we're going to just take a look at the bootstrap loader sitting at the top of memory. Okay. And I'm just going to walk through this real quick to verify that it is correct still. 126440. 163 610 000 777 160 510 127 100 twice 107 003 000 772 001 400 060110 004 766 044 402 004 764. Okay, that looks like everything there. We start the program from 37770. Reset. And this was not working before. I had to use continue to start programs, but now start is working again, which is great. So we're going to do a start. And then over on my terminal here, on my modern desktop, I'm doing a file transfer of a binary loader, which has begun now. This will only take a moment. Sure enough, it halted. And now we need to check that the program is okay by going to all 7s at the top and check that it does in fact contain 000663. That looks exactly how it should. Reset the system, start the system, and now we can send single user basic. Now this will take a number of seconds. I haven't actually measured how long, but you might be able to see the twinkling of the status lamps here on the address bus. I just think this is so cool. And now it looks like we actually have something up on the terminal. Now, I loaded this in 8N1, and now I need to switch over to 7E2, because this unpatched expects this to be like a teletype, 7 bits only. Caps lock is on, type yes. It's supposed to process for a little bit, and then it's supposed to spit back a status, and it doesn't seem to want to do that for me these days. Come on, focus, there we go. And if I give it an escape, I get kind of a garbage value back. But the good news is, the machine is still trying to run. Whereas before, on the old power supply at this stage, it would have halted entirely. So we still have some problems in the logic in the CPU somewhere. At least that's the current working theory. But this is a sight better than where we were a couple of months back on the old power supply, and just a couple of days ago before adding in that power check circuitry. So we're looking a lot better.